This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your ranges and locking references. First, ensure the lookup column and return column are defined. Use named ranges or $a style so formulas stay stable. Now type the core, equals index, return range, match, lookup value, lookup range, 0. You do this because index returns the value by position, while match finds that position exactly. Once entered, press enter, you'll see the matched result. Make sure to use 0 for exact matches, so partial hits don't mislead you. Once you have the basic formula, extend it for real-world data. You use match, 0 for exact lookups. Choose 1 or -1 only when your data is sorted and you need approximate matches. If missing keys are possible, wrap the whole index/match in IFR to return a friendly message. You can also return values from any column. Index reads the return range position that match provides, so include multiple columns or dynamic ranges when you need different outputs. Make sure to lock your ranges and copy formulas across rows or sheets. Verify with edge cases and blank entries. If you need composite lookups, create a helper column that concatenates keys and then match that combined string. When things go wrong, troubleshoot by checking data types and cleaning spaces. Use trim or value when necessary, because mismatched types cause silent failures. If results still misalign, inspect the match return index against the return range. Mismatched sizes are a common culprit and require range adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.